This journey started as a simple mission, point A to point B, stretched across 4,700 miles of American highway. A round trip, no script, no itinerary, just the road ahead.
But the further we drove, the more the story changed. We met incredible people, the kind who leave a mark, and found ourselves pulled into side stops we never planned, but we're glad we didn't miss.
And rolling through the country on its 250th birthday, that hit different. Big skies, quiet towns, wide open landscapes. America showing off in every direction.
So even though this wasn't meant to be a travel vlog, we realized there was something worth sharing. The moments between the miles, the surprises between the destinations.
Every drive video in this series features a brand new original song, courtesy of the Silver Fox Babes.
We're glad y'all are here.
Let's roll.
Silver Fox Babes, here we go.
Silver Fox Babes,
Here we go. Morning sun is rising, painting gold across the hood. F-150 humming steady, like we always knew it would. Boots up on the dashboard, wind is dancing through her hair, and the road ahead is open, like it's calling us somewhere. Highway keeps on whispering like a song we used to know. Every mile is pulling us to the place we're gonna go. We're on the road again, Silver Fox Babes riding free, with the sun on our shoulders and a date with history. There's a Model T waiting, calling out like family. Yeah, we're on the road again, bringing home a legacy. Highway lines are drifting like a river made of light, talking about her poppy and the 40 kept so right. That old T ain't just metal, it's a heartbeat on four wheels. And the closer that we get, the more the past becomes so real. Wind is telling stories of the roads we've yet to find. Two Silver Fox Babes rolling, with the future right behind. Yeah, we're on the road again, hauling dreams behind the truck. Every mile a reminder that we're blessed with a little luck. There's a Model T waiting, calling out like family. We're on the road again, taking back a piece of history. Turn the radio louder, let the guitars ring. Feels like freedom in the chorus when the whole world sings. And when that T hits the trailer and the straps pull tight, we'll be heading back home in the soft glow of night. Now the trailer's riding heavy, but our hearts are feeling light. Got that century-old Survivor looking perfect in the light, holding on to pictures while the wheels keep spinning
this is where we stayed for our first night. We got a late start though, so we didn't do a whole lot of talking yesterday. But what we really want to show you is where we ate dinner. But this is where we stayed for night one. Hilton Garden Inn. We got a couple of nice little patios. I don't know, we had breakfast this morning.
Super comfy
There.
bed.
Super comfy bed. If you're coming through Spokane. Plenty of parking if you got a truck and a trailer. But what we want to show you is where we had dinner last night. What do you think? Was the dinner good?
Yeah, it was delicious.
I had been traveling here for work, and I've eaten at this restaurant before, so I just had to bring Christy here. It is called the Rusty Moose. Now, I'm not really sure why they would call it the Rusty Moose, but this is the restaurant. This is the vibe. Christy's standing there with our dinner companion last night. It was great. It was a great dinner. This is pretty cool. But overall, we're on our way to Big Timber today, and we'll probably talk to you a little more today. But we had a great first day. We're ready to go pick up this Model T,
Let's go.
and we got to get in the car, so we'll talk to you later.
Daylight.
Burning daylight, she says. We're in where?
Wallace, Idaho.
Wallace, Idaho.
Back to blue.
Back to blue, and but we're not here because we did something wrong.
Not yet.
Not yet. But we're gonna leave our mark somewhere special.
Oh, that was upside down.
See the Covert House in Coventry? Oh, it's the Coventry Covert Hovis. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. It helps others find it. We'll see you on the next leg.